Over 50? Eat this seed daily to support better blood flow in your legs. As people grow older, many begin noticing uncomfortable changes in their legs and circulation. Some experience cold feet. Others feel heaviness, tingling, numbness, cramps at night, or tired legs after short walks. For many adults over 50, healthy blood flow slowly becomes more important than ever before. The good news is that certain everyday foods may help support circulation naturally when combined with a healthy lifestyle. One small seed that has gained growing attention for heart and circulation support is flaxseed. Flaxseed has been used for centuries and is packed with nutrients that may support blood vessels, heart health, cholesterol balance, and overall circulation. While no food can magically cure circulation problems overnight, adding flaxseed regularly to a balanced diet may help support healthier blood flow over time. Many adults are surprised to learn that such a tiny seed contains powerful plant nutrients that work quietly inside the body every single day. Why blood flow matters more after 50. Healthy circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to travel throughout the body. The legs especially depend on strong blood flow because they are farther from the heart and constantly working to support body weight and movement. As adults age, blood vessels may gradually become less flexible. Poor eating habits, lack of movement, stress, smoking, high blood pressure, excess weight, high cholesterol, and elevated blood sugar may all affect circulation over time. This is why many adults over 50 begin noticing symptoms like tired legs, swelling, cold feet, slower healing, muscle cramps, or discomfort during walking. The body depends heavily on healthy arteries and proper blood movement to keep muscles, nerves, and tissues functioning well. Supporting circulation naturally often starts with small daily habits rather than extreme changes. What makes flaxseed special? Flaxseed may look simple, but nutritionally it is extremely rich. One of the biggest reasons flax seeds are respected in nutrition research is because it contains plant omega-3 fatty acids known as ALA. These healthy fats may help support heart and blood vessel health. Flaxseed is also naturally rich in fiber. Fiber may help support healthier cholesterol levels, digestive health, and overall cardiovascular wellness. Healthy cholesterol balance plays an important role in maintaining smoother blood flow through the arteries. Another important component found in flaxseed is lignans. These plant compounds contain antioxidant properties that may help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Many experts believe chronic inflammation and oxidative damage quietly affect blood vessel health over time, especially as people age. This is one reason flaxseed is often included in heart-supportive eating patterns. How flaxseed may help support leg circulation. Flaxseed does not act like a medicine or instant treatment. Instead, it may support multiple areas connected to circulation health. The omega-3 fats in flaxseed may help support blood vessel flexibility. Flexible blood vessels may allow smoother blood movement throughout the body. The fiber in flaxseed may help support cholesterol management. Excess cholesterol buildup inside arteries may gradually affect healthy circulation over time. Flaxseed may also support heart health, which directly affects how efficiently blood moves through the body. Some research suggests flaxseed may modestly support healthy blood pressure levels in certain adults when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle. All of these small supportive effects may contribute to better overall circulation over time. Many adults over 50 notice that circulation improves not because of one miracle ingredient, but because several healthy habits begin working together consistently. Why ground flaxseed is usually better. Whole flax seeds sometimes pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down. This means the body may not absorb all the nutrients efficiently. Ground flaxseed is usually considered easier for the body to digest and absorb. Many people simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed into yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, soups, or warm water. Its mild nutty flavor makes it easy to include in daily meals without major changes. Consistency matters far more than large amounts. Simple ways to add flaxseed into daily life. Some adults enjoy adding flaxseed into morning oatmeal or yogurt. Others mix it into smoothies or sprinkle it over salads and soups. A simple flaxseed drink made with warm water and lemon is also becoming popular among health-conscious adults. The key is making it part of a realistic daily routine rather than using it occasionally. Small daily habits often create bigger long-term health changes than short extreme diets. Other habits that help blood flow naturally. No single food can fully overcome unhealthy daily habits. Healthy circulation usually improves most when nutrition works together with movement and lifestyle changes. Walking regularly may help stimulate blood movement through the legs. Drinking enough water may support healthier circulation and reduce dehydration. Managing stress, improving sleep, Avoiding smoking and maintaining healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels may also help support blood vessel health. Even light movement during the day may help adults who sit for long periods. Sometimes the body is not asking for complicated solutions. Sometimes it is asking for consistent care every single day. Although flaxseed may support circulation and heart health, it is not a replacement for medical treatment. Adults experiencing severe leg pain, swelling, numbness, chest discomfort, or sudden circulation changes should speak with a healthcare professional. Persistent circulation problems may sometimes signal underlying conditions that require proper medical evaluation. Natural foods work best as part of a balanced lifestyle and professional care when needed. After 50, supporting circulation becomes one of the most important parts of healthy aging. Tiny daily choices may quietly influence how the body feels, moves, and functions over time. Flaxseed is not a miracle cure, but its fiber, plant omega-3s, and antioxidant compounds may help support healthier blood flow, heart health, and circulation naturally. Sometimes better health does not begin with something expensive or complicated. Sometimes it begins with one small daily habit repeated consistently. And for many adults, that habit may start with a simple spoon of flaxseed.